Hi, this is Pat from McGinty Motorcars here in Renton, Pennsylvania. We just got in this 1941 Plymouth PT-125 pickup truck. It's a 6-cylinder, 3-speed manual. Got it from a local customer. It's got the original paint, original interior in the vehicle. It's got some upgraded white wall tires. The bed in the back has new wood in it. Today I want to show you how to do a cold start on it, how to operate the heat, and it's got some vents in the front for the windshield and the front vent on how to operate and open those and close them. So let's jump inside and I'll show you how it works. Okay, so we're inside the cab here. A few things I want to go over with you, how I start this vehicle up. Unlike our Model A's, this does not have a fuel on and off valve underneath here. Our Model A's that I've shown you in the past have a on and off valve switch for the fuel. This one you don't have to worry about. So first thing I do is make sure the car is in neutral. I got my parking brake on. Gonna turn on the key here. I have a throttle control here and I have a choke control. So being a cold start here, we're January up in the Northeast, I'll pull open the choke here to get it fired up. I can use the throttle here. You'll see down below the gas pedal starting to move. So I can do that manually, or I could just use the gas pedal here. So I'll pull it open a little bit and we'll get started here. Right down below, you'll see your starter button. This is much higher than compared to the Ford Model A's that are all the way down below. Sometimes they hide it way up on the firewall. This one's really nice, really close to the brake pedal here. Now I'll back off the throttle control here. Got the choke pushed in, it's warmed up, and it's not too bad temperature wise today here, but on a cold start I might leave that choke open for a few more minutes like I did on Sunday when I drove the vehicle here from Honeybrook. So I want to show you how to operate the heat, which is really cool. I used this on Sunday, it was really cold out. So right here is your on off, so you have low, you have high, and then down below there's your heater. Vents. I had steam coming out of this on Sunday. It really worked well. We're going to grease up the bearings and the fan. That lights up there for you. There's your heat right there. So you have two open ways to get air come through, fresh air. You have your traditional roller windshield here, which cranks on this guy right here. Be careful that you don't over tighten it because these two seams up here can snap, and we had that happen on a 38 Plymouth truck we had here in the showroom. We had to redo the rivets in it. And then down below, this is a open and close for the front air stack right there, the front air vent coming through, which is really cool. This one's really smooth compared to the other ones we've had in the past. I'll show you some of the other gauges we have here. We have some parking lights, and then over here we have headlights. They have a manual switch over here for your turn signals that do work. And down below, ask any young kid what this button is and they won't know. This is your low beam and high beam. One of the great things about this truck is all the gauges work. So we have the amps. We have the fuel gauge, which works, which we were low on gas and I stopped for fuel on Sunday. Oil pressure, and then the heat. The odometer, speedometer works for this vehicle real well. I'm just really happy with the condition of this overall. So thank you for taking a look at this video, and please subscribe to our page. Thank you.